Hello guys, welcome to my channel Chikoo Kids. Today we learn colors name and alphabets A to Z alphabets. Alphabets drawing for toddlers and kids. Colors for kids and toddlers. देखते हैं ये कौन कौन से कलर हैं किड्स. किड्स ये है येलो कलर. कौन सा कलर है? येलो कलर. किड्स ये है स्काई ब्लू कलर. कौन सा कलर है? स्काई ब्लू कलर. किड्स ये है पिंक कलर. कौन सा कलर? पिंक कलर. किड्स ये कौन सा कलर है? ये है रेड कलर. किड्स ये है ग्रीन कलर. कौन सा कलर? ग्रीन कलर. किड्स ये कौन सा कलर है? ब्लू कलर. कौन सा कलर? ब्लू कलर. आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं अल्फाबेट्स ड्राइंग. स्टार्ट विथ येलो कलर ए. किड्स ये कौन सा कलर है? येलो कलर ए. ए फॉर aeroplane, yellow color. Next color is sky blue color B. B for boat. B for boat. Sky blue color. Next color is pink color. C for car. Pink color. C for car. Pink color. Its next color is green color. D. D for drum. D for drum. Green color. Its next color is red color. E. E for eagle. Red color. E for eagle. Red color. Its next color is blue color. F. F for fire. F for fire. Blue color. Its next color is blue color. G. G for gun. G for gun. Blue color. Next color is red color. H. Red color. H for helicopter. Helicopter. Red color. Kids. Next color is green color. I. I for ink. Green color. Next color is pink color. J. J for jumper. J for jumper. Pink color. Its next color is sky blue color. K. K for kangaroo. Sky blue color. Next color is yellow color. L. L for lemon. Yellow color. Its next color is yellow color. M. M for mango, yellow color. Next color is sky blue color. N for notebook, sky blue color. Its next color is pink color. Kids, ये है alphabets drawing pink color. O for octopus. O for octopus, pink color. Next color is green color. P for pen. P for pen, green color. Its next color is red color. Q for queen, red color. Q for queen, red color. Next color is red color. R for rainbow. R for rainbow, red color. Next color is green color. S for sun, green color. Its next color is pink color. T for train, pink color. Next color is green color. U for umbrella. U for umbrella, green color. Next color is red color. V for van, red color. Its next color is yellow color. W, yellow color. W for water, yellow color. Next color is sky blue color. X for xylophone, sky blue color. Its next color is pink color. Y for yak, pink color. Its next color is blue color. Z for zoo, blue color. Next color is blue color. Kids, let's learn alphabets for kids and toddlers. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Kids, if you enjoying my video, please like my video and subscribe my channel. See you next video. Bye bye kids.